Some fishermen in Russia caught something other than fish. A swan trapped and tangled up in a maze of fishing line. It looked like the swan had all given up and was resting upside down its head, lying on its stomach. Fishing line had tangled the big swan to some tree branches and the line was wrapped around its neck. Several times it takes some time to finally get the line off the bird, but the bird is so tangled up and the fisherman brings it to the shore and uses scissors to finish the job done. The swan is now free and looks like it will recover. And another swan, possibly its mate, was watching the whole rescue. It sure was nice of these guys to take the time from fishing to save an animal. This is the tear-jerking moment when the boyfriend of a girl helps her shave her head because she suffers from alopecia, which makes your hair fall out. You can see it's tough on her, but then her boyfriend shaves his head in support of her and she bursts into tears, truly heartwarming. Firemen spotted an unconscious kitten laying lifeless on the floor of a burning house. A few moments later, the fireman puts an oxygen mask around its face while using the cold water to bring the unconscious patient back to life. Traffic can be scary. A small dog was hit by a car that didn't stop. That's when an 11-year-old boy raced out into the street facing oncoming traffic and picked up the injured dog and brought him to safety. That's a super dangerous thing for a small young child to do. The boy was praised for his heroic actions. Some guys notice a couple of seal pups need help and capture them. Fishing line is wrapped around the neck of the first animal. They cut it off and the baby seal runs back to the ocean. The second seal has plastic wrapped around its neck. When they cut it off and open the net, the seal is calm and relaxed and not trying to bite anyone. It likes to be pet and wants to hang around with its new friend. Asmani has saved so many animals. The people have nicknamed him the Spider-Man of Bangalore because he climbed tall buildings and trees to help the animals. He rescued cats, dogs, monkeys and birds that have been trapped in difficult places. He also works with veterans and firefighters. Anytime an animal needs help, Asura is a random act of kindness just waiting to happen. A woman uses a pair of kitchen tongs to snatch 4 baby ducks out of sewer den they had fallen into.
Oh look, she hears him! She hears him! Go back! Oh, that's like the sweetest reunion ever!
A Russian policeman used his patrol car to stop a speeding car, saving the lives of the pedestrian crossing the road. It was just a good thing that it only took him just a second to act, even though some people were little banged up, no one was injured. This woman notices an old man shuffling across the busy street. When it begins to rain, she rushes towards him to give him an umbrella. What a great act of kindness! An old man is seen crossing a road with cars and becomes frightened and freezes. Another man jumps out his car and gives the old guy a piggyback ride to safety. Watch this guy removes chunks of grass and dirt covering a drain on the highway.
Look at that, he cleared that and look at that go. Amazing.
Oh, look at your bathtub. It's unbelievable.
That guy's
Yes.
started circling.
An off-duty policeman is walking by the river with his family and notices a woman screaming for help. Without thinking twice, he leaps into the river towards the struggling child. Watch as the crowd helps them to get back on dry land. These people form a human chain to save their dog trapped in undercurrents of a spillway drain. Watch what happens. And here's a father returning from the military as a huge surprise gift for his family. This child was walking along in the rain when he noticed a brick over a drain and picked it up. Underneath is a bunch of garbage. He starts to remove the junk and the water starts to drain. Just doing a friendly deed. In Amsterdam, a dog fell into a canal and wasn't able to climb out. A woman passing by jumped into the water to save the animal. She looks to be having a rough time when another man jumps in to help. After a little bit of struggle, the dog is finally brought back to the bank. These office workers could have just drank their hot coffee in front of the cold window washers outside on a scaffold. But that would be rude. Instead, the guys outside get a nice surprise when the office buys them a coffee. This Kenyan runner, Kenneth Kipkimoy, has some difficulties finishing a 10-kilometer race. He tries his best to cross his line but fails every time. Few moments later, another runner, Simon Capro, picks him up and helps him cross the finish line and holds him up until medics can arrive. Simon's win was forfeited to help his friend, but he was later awarded $1,000 for his sportsmanlike deed. What you are witnessing is a daring attempt to rescue a 9-year-old black Labrador named Hardy that was out on a walk and found himself trapped in the partially frozen river. Fire and rescue services were called, who crawled across the thin ice. The dog is back on shore where he is dried off and happily wagging his tail, thanking his rescuers. Had this kind of people not been there, the worst could have happened. Have you seen a guy successfully rescuing foxes that fell in a concrete storage drain? Sometimes they are truly positive acts of kindness, like these window cleaners disguised as superheroes. And here you see the emotions of a little girl named Bedel from Nigeria after receiving a doll. A man from San Diego part in a random act of kindness project and came up with an idea to take some homeless people out to breakfast. Being homeless once himself, he rounded up some hungry-looking people from the streets and gathered them together at a restaurant for breakfast. No, he's not rich and he didn't win the lottery and is still trying to survive himself. A man in Perth, Australia stepped into a gap between the train wagon and the platform and his leg was stuck. Authorities tried to free him. When this didn't work, they asked everyone inside their cars to go outside and help to push the train enough so the man could get his leg out. On the second try, he was free. A traffic cop runs over to help an old lady to get across the road safely. A man with special adult needs found himself behind on his home taxes, and he had lost all the people that had helped care for him. His mother, grandmother, his father and his brother. Neighbors learned that he had $50,000 tax placed on his house and he might end up losing his home. They started a GoFundMe page and was able to raise enough money to save his home. And at the last moment, a neighbor donated $3,000 for additional taxes. That's a lot of kindness.